Hi guys, Francesca here again with Excellence Cleaning Pros with another quick tutorial on proper, or what I like to call professional floor cleaning and vacuuming. So one very important aspect about proper floor vacuuming is that you want to make sure that everything gets vacuumed and that there are no little crumbs or debris left behind. Because you can always pick up the last bit of layer of dirt or grime off the floor with the mop, but if you leave big chunks of debris, it will only either still make the floor look dirty, even when mopped, or it will create more mud. I'm going to show how this is being picked up. And then you will reassure it. So you do a circle movement, overlapping the area, the floor. So the best way to vacuum properly and preventing leftover debris will be to overlap like this. If you notice, I am doing a circle overlapping movement towards the direction of where I am going. So if I am vacuuming left to right, I will do my circles clockwise. If I am vacuuming right to left, then I will do them counterclockwise, just how I'm doing in this example. Like I always say, go downwards dirty and upwards clean. Another very important thing is that I always vacuum in a zigzag pattern. Pretty much, I start in one corner and make my circles about 2 feet wide, and I cover an entire room by following a zigzag pattern and overlapping as much as possible. If ever facing big chunks of debris on the floor, I would recommend targeting them first or getting them out of the way, so that you can proceed to vacuum the scattered small debris left behind. It's also very important to stay fully focused on the floor so that you can make sure you are noticing the difference between clean and dirty, and that way you won't miss anything. The secret is in the attention to detail. So you might be wondering, how can you draw a perfect zigzag on a room that is not exactly a perfect square, or that has furniture on the way? No worries, so I have a couple of tips for that. And then on the edges, I just kind of like in my right here, outline everything that is not uniformly with the floor, and just outline it like this. First of all, if the room is empty like in this example, and there are some off edges like in this room, I either start or end by making an outline to cover all edges. So you could start first by vacuuming all those edges in order to draw an imaginary square outline that you can then vacuum uniformly, or you could also vacuum the imaginary square first and leave the edges to the end by pushing everything towards the edges and vacuuming them last. Now, if there's furniture, it gets a little more complicated, but pretty much it's the same idea. I outline the area around the furniture, and then I vacuum the leftover space, always doing the circle pattern. Sometimes I'll do little squares within a room so that I can vacuum as uniformly as possible. The point here is that the more uniformly you maintain the pattern, the better. So I really hope you guys really enjoyed this video and found all the tips we provide helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it. Thank you for watching.